Okay, so there we are. So cut these pieces out. Um, Mainly I use this small square, find the angle. I guess it doesn't really matter the exact angle, but it's pretty damn close. And that's it. Actually, I've made these a slightly longer because mine are going to use like two eye bolts, and a bit wider than actually this. So I made it just a hair bigger. So I've got all these pieces there. I had to plane this guy a bit using just a hand electric planer to make sure it was shy for when we glued when I glued the plywood on top. I've put some wax paper. I've installed these guys, super easy as per what they say in many magazines and stuff. So this was as easy as just drilling in right through the press wood, and then make sure it was tight, and then backing up a bit, and then this thing turns really well, and it locks really well. So what I've done now is I've locked the two main spars, make sure they were flat to this, and now these two are locked. Got a couple of stoppers which are on the lines, and then these will squish the pieces, and then a bit more clamps everywhere. There are needed. Same for this guy here, more blocks for the hinges, and again a bit of pressure with some clamps. From what I've read, we don't need much clamping pressure, so I'll use those where I can, and that's it. Guys, now you have to help me out now. I have no clue where to go after this. The plan on one of the plans states that we do this corner first, and then assemble FR2 in midair. Please confirm, guys. And these also, I wonder if I can make them before. It sounds like at least RR4, which is solid and then routed out. I have to make it before. So now I'm wondering if I should make these rudder ribs beforehand, and then figure a way to install this angle piece there. Please comments, guys, so I can go forward in a less in the dark way. Okay, so now I've put glue on both sides. I also put at least two thicknesses of disposable gloves, so if I get dirty in the equation, I just chuck one thickness of glove. Actually 3 would be even better after doing this now. So these work really well. Those I put just a small washer, aluminum washer, just so that it presses in the middle. So I've put glue on both sides, and these things were sliding like crazy, and that's not good. So I had to come up with something fast, so I put some staples in there, and that seems to stop the sliding at least. I'm guessing there's going to be a pain in the butt to remove, but I guess I had to do something. I've checked the squareness of everything, sounds good. I've used those guys to remove the bulk of the excess epoxy, and just chuck them on the ground. Just keep changing. One question is the glue that's inside there. It's been cleaned, but there's still some glue. The question would be, do I need to sand this, or at least scuff it for when I put the bracing and the blocks? Yeah, I'm just wondering how easy this will be to sand the epoxy, because obviously the wood is really soft. But still, that was very exciting. I believe that's the first glue joint of a real piece.